Hello everyone. Today's date is 16 November 2021 and my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane. I have completed my BE in Mechanical from Matosri College of Engineering, Nasik, and I have secured 7.63 CGPA in BE Mechanical. Today we will discuss about on features in Java. The primary objective of Java programming language is to make it simple, secure, and portable Java programming language. Some excellent features which play more important role in the Java programming language, and its popularity of the language is more than other programming language. The features of Java is first is secure, second is simple, third is object oriented, fourth is dynamic, fifth is portable, sixth is architecture neutral, and seven is robust, eight is high performing, and nine is distributed, and last is Java is automatic garbage collector. First feature is simple. Java is a simple programming language. Its syntax is simple, and it's easy to understand and clean programming language. There is no need there is no need to remove unreferenced objective from there is no need to remove unreferenced object because there is a automatic garbage collector. And second is Java is a object oriented programming language. Object oriented means we organize our software the combination of different types of objective. They incorporate both data and behavior. The basic concept of OOPS is class, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction. And third feature of the Java is robust. Robust means strong. Java is a strong programming language because in Java no explicit pointer, so that avoid the security problems, and because it's strong memory management, so Java is a robust language. Next feature is Java is a portable, so we can carry the bytecode and run at any other platform like Linux, OS, Mac. Next feature is a feature of Java is compiler and interpreter. In compiler we compile the source code into bytecode, and bytecode convert into machine code by using Java interpreter. The Java program run inside the JVM. So Java is a portable programming language. If we create the Java program in OS system, so that binary code we carry the binary code and run at any platform like Linux, Mac, OS. So Java is called portable programming language. Next feature of Java is multi-thread. In multi-thread, uh, we run two methods at a time. Java multi-thread does not occupy the does not occupy the does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares common memory area for each thread. By using multi-thread, we can achieve the multitasking. Next feature of Java is secure. In Java programming language, no explicit pointer, so Java is more secure than C programming language, and we can develop security free systems. And next feature of Java is dynamic collection. In Java programming language, Java is automatic garbage collector. If we create unreferenced objects, so Java remove the unreferenced object by using Java automatic garbage collector. Java is a high performance programming language. We compare the C, than faster Java programming language. Thank you.